Hello traders, we're here to make a quick video on how to set up your Fibonacci drawings and customize it for your best experience. Okay, so Fibonacci retracements are right here, so you select from the top to the bottom and you just draw it. See how it matches perfectly or very close to the max around here, here and here. So what I'm gonna do now is do some customizations. First, I want to add Fibonacci levels, right? And you can like show Fibonacci levels first, so you can see 100, 61, 50, 38.2 and 0. You can add the other ones as well. Right here you can add Fibonacci levels. You can change the appearance. First, I want to fill the information. So now I want to fill all the charts, but now the best one would be even customize it for specific levels. So I want to come here and add an orange color for the 61.8 Fibonacci level. Okay, and I don't know, maybe the 38.2 as well. So I want to come here and add the green one. Okay, and there we go. So this is how you set up and customize your Fibonacci retracements. Okay, thank you, and until the next video.